Hi, I'm Robbie with BDO Securities, and are you ready to make 2022 the year you start investing? Because we are. At BDO Securities, we're doing a lot this new year to help you get started investing. And we're excited to announce a new 4-part tutorial series to help you get started buying your very first stock. We'll go over everything you need to know, from how to invest in the stock market, to using the BDO Securities platform, to using our research reports to find dividend-paying stocks, to using our trade recap to find trading opportunities. We're even redesigning our Monday Technically Speaking commentary to involve specific stocks to help you better find trading opportunities on a weekly basis. So we've got you covered in 2022, and we want to invite you to our 4-part tutorial series, so check your inbox on Monday, January 3rd. So thanks so much for being a BDO Securities customer, and let's make 2022 the year you start investing.